Struggling to change to an Instagram business or creator account? Switch to business or creator account. Let's talk about this. So, let's start the video. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile, where you'll see the professional dashboard. Now, if you want to switch between a business account and a creator account, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of the screen. This will open Settings and Activity. Scroll down and, under the For Professionals section, tap on Creator Tools and Controls. After that, scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. Here, you can easily choose to switch to a business account or a creator account. Simply tap on the option you want, and your account type will be changed. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.